Alright, we're changing it up today. We're gonna do live trading. But yeah, coming into the day, lucky, I sound sick AF, but I'm not actually sick, I don't think. But coming into the day, I mean, we were extremely overextended because of the move from yesterday, or I guess Tuesday. But honestly, either way, it wouldn't surprise me. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna title it Losing or Making Bread While Sick, or Not Taking a Trade While Sick because I was sick or something. Because last time I titled one something like that, it got a lot of views. But yeah, and NQ took the London high here, residing. ES is near the London high, 2 a.m. high, boom, market open, let's see what happens. Just took another level of internal buy-side liquidity over here on NQ. ES kind of sort of doing the same thing. London high is intact on both. We have our external buy-side liquidity level residing up here. And again, I have no expectations coming into the day. Today I want to be very low size just because I'm still battling to get the account balances higher. The apexes are pretty far off, and then the lucids are kind of in a good bit of drawdown right now. 1380, basically 1400. But again, I'm just focusing on taking high quality trades. Going to be lower risk. And then once I've built a little bit stronger confidence, because I'm 2 L's in a row this week, once I build a little confidence back after a winning week or two, we'll look to increase some size so we're not taking forever to get to a necessary balance. I'm low-key going to move these over here just because it's way faster and easier to place trades when it's on my other monitor. Okay, we're on the one. Just being patient here, letting price do its thing. We have London low. If a short model does set up, I honestly would be pretty interested, but again, we need to set up and show that it wants to be respected. Where are my tunes, bro? My freaking tunes stopped. And yeah, I'll probably edit this down a little, just so it's not like an hour of blank space while I'm trading. But again, we're just being patient here, letting price do whatever it wants to, recognizing SMTs. Oh my gosh, brother, can you freaking hear my voice right now? Why the flip does it sound like that, man? But anyway, yeah, told y'all what I want to see, just gonna be patient here. Right now we do have an SMT at this high. PM session high yesterday. Oh my gosh, brother. Oh my gosh. Excuse me for the noises. But looks like we're displacing down through this 1 minute bullish fair value gap here on MQ. I'll throw a limit here. If we get involved, we get involved. Buzz, alright. Oh, we got a bad fill. I got a really bad fill on the evals. It's all good. Dang, I didn't even get filled anywhere else. That's interesting. I'll still leave it though. Oh my gosh, dude. Freaking sorry, bro. Good God, man. I'm involved on one eval, but on nothing else. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm sorry. I'm still leaving my limits here. The eval is just running right now, but I feel like we can still get a retracement. If not, then it looks like we're just getting a free entry on the evals, which is freaking fine with me. As you can see, the price action is very different. I closed out on the eval just for like a little winning day. And I'm going to throw the limit back down. SMT is still intact. If we could come up to this bearish SMT or bearish inverse, that would be ideal. And we would be involved on all accounts. I'm okay if we don't. Let's chill. Because, yeah, we never actually ended up tapping this inverse. As you can see, like one tick off. Oh my goodness, dude. 1 minute bullish for value up here holding. Oh, brother. Excuse me. Looks like we're actually involved. Are we involved here? Oh my gosh, I'm involved on one Dude, I hate trade of 8 so much, it's not even funny. It genuinely is so annoying. I just got involved all on one with 12 contracts because that was the copy traded size. So I'm not involved on my apexes. One of them's up $83 because it got involved freaking with 12 cons instead of 2. And with that little move, we were up $83. We're involved now, though. We'll see what happens here. Live trade. First live trade. Changing things up. Switching it up. I'm okay with this getting stopped. If it gets stopped, that just means I dip earlier, which is fine with me. But yeah, showed y'all my reason. We had dual SMT at the highs, London high SMT. Even if it gets swept, we still have this higher time frame SMT. At the 4 p.m. high from yesterday, as we can see, ES trading well away from it, NQ coming up, sweeping it out, while having London low residing and other sell-side liquidity pools residing. So my thing is, okay, I'm looking to potentially target them and see if we're able to execute on that. Putting risk on the table, applying risk, $200 max risk per account. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out, man. I'm okay, and I am I'm okay with this trade. Little micro internal SMT here. But yeah, now we just wait and see. Could have RFPs if we're even able to displace, but again, I'm just gonna let the trade do its thing. And if we get stopped, we get stopped. And once again, apologies for the sickness or whatever the frick is going on. But yeah, right now, my main target wants to be London low. That's a 1 to 2 RR, and that seems like a very realistic draw on sell side if we want to sell off. If we want to just get stopped, looks like we're just getting stopped, but that's chill. What can I talk about while this trade's playing? I guess, yeah, my main thing, like I said, for March, just want to let the market unfold. Hopefully be on the right side of things while I'm executing my plan, and just look up at the end of March and see where we are. Again, I'm okay if this gets stopped, but we have like to 3 full weeks left of March or of April. So I'll just continue risking small and see where we are at the end of the month. But yeah, don't really want to talk about much. I'll low key. I'll be right back. I'll let the trade play out and I'll like speed it up or something, make it cool. But again, expecting a stop out here, but I will be right back. Yeah, not looking great here. Probably gonna get stopped out. ES took London high. And the only reason I'm okay with this is that the SMT isn't at a data low. We still have 830 data low. Because if this SMT was at this, I would have never gotten involved in the first place. So, yeah. But again, brother, that's why we risk 200 per trade right now. When we need confidence and what the... We just risk small enough to where if we lose, we don't care. Tight. 13-minute recording. Let's make sure. I think so. Yeah, risking 200 flat. I mean, I did think this trade was really high quality, but again, looks like I was wrong, and that's okay, brother. That is okay. Looks like price wants to trade higher, definitely on an ES, and then it's going to cause ES to trade higher as well. That's unfortunate, but I had an idea. I tested it. It didn't work out. We had small internal SMT down here, but it was just, yeah, just got it wrong today. Again, that's 3 L's this week, bro. Trading's crazy, bro. You could go from trading good to freaking bad. Like last week was good. This week is just... Yesterday I should have had a dub though, so I'm not going to be too upset about that. Bet. So yeah, done for the day just like that. 13-minute live recording, and I'm totally chill with that. Was just wrong on direction as of right now. Who knows, maybe later it'll want to continue lower. But I will show P&L, and then I'm getting off the freaking charts, boy. Hold up. So on the Lucids, lost 125 on these, and then 225. That's lit. You guys literally saw me. I was risking 199, and I still lost 225. Huh? That's awesome. That makes so much sense, doesn't it? But yeah, and then lost 208 on these apexes. That's lit. I was risking 200, and then 125 on this one because this is the one where I entered with 12 cons and then just closed instantly. So yeah, I'll just call it 200 minus 200. Not trading good this month, y'all, at all. But honestly, I'm totally chill with that. Don't care that I lost. Giving myself plenty of, that was a short on MNQ. Giving myself plenty of room to breathe and work with. And again, bro, I broke a couple rules recently in like the past month. What's more important than taking winning trades is trading my system and just following it, bro, no matter what. Not deviating from it at all. So yeah, done for the day here. Literally don't care what the market does. I'm one trade and done. If it wants to trade lower, cool. If not, we learn from it. Looking back on this trade, what I notice is, boom, we come down to just kind of low resistance liquidity stack down here. Sweep it out on NQ. Fail to sweep it out on ES. We end up holding this 1 minute bullish for I got the entire time, which is definitely interesting. But I saw a really good short model. We had 2 bearish SMTs. Boom, we turned this fair value gap inverse. To me, bro, that's a setup all day. Only thing that makes it potentially not an A setup is if I got the bias wrong, because I'm not as concerned with this internal bullish SMT. All right, but let me shut up, and we're gonna call it a day there, brothers. Down, let's do the math real quick. 124 times 5 plus 223 down That's down 850 on this. Times, I'll down 2K. My losers are usually 2K, so I'll just say that. But yeah, that's all I got. Literally, I'm okay with it, bro. It's one loss. Have to space out over a period of freaking 10 trades and see what happens. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm going to continue live trading here. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Drop a comment below if you took this trade, what you think I did wrong, and I'll read them all. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Peace. I'm sounding a lot better now too. Later.